Finally, school is out. Simon is really hungry now. Simon will go to the refrigerator to get something to eat. Who are you? What are you doing in my refrigerator? Hi. Billy! Someone eats my food. It's eating my food, Simon, not eats my food. Shut up and help me.
Good morning, everybody. Nice to have you back for another lesson.
Hi, Dan.
Hello, Dan. Hello, Mr. Daniel.
Hey, Teach.
Hi. Before we do anything else, remember last week's test? The one that I gave you? Did you try it? Yuki?
Of course, Mr. Daniel.
Oh, that's great. How about you, Billy?
I tried.
Yeah, that's all I'm asking for. Just give it a try, see how well you do. How about you, Sven?
And I did my best.
That's also all I'm asking for. Try it and do your best and see how well you do. We'll have a look at it together in just a moment. And how about you, Simon?
Simon ate it.
That's not exactly what I was expecting you to do with it. You should try it. If I say try it, doesn't mean try eating it. But at least I hope it tasted good. How about you, Günther?
La 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 la. I can't hear you.
Oh, come on, Günther. I know it's not your favorite pastime, but you can give it a try anyway.
Did somebody say something? Because I still can't hear. La 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 la.
Okay, then let's have a look at it together. Okay, let's have a look at the answers to the test. Did you solve them? Did you print the test? If so, let's check them together, see how well you did. First one, Sven has been learning English since 5 years. Remember last week's secret? Plural, years. So we use the duration for 5 years. Number 2. Günther has studied English. Duration or point in time? Yes, this time it's not a duration. It's since 2020. This is the correct answer. And let's have a look at Yuki's sentence. Yuki hasn't seen her family since a long time. A long time is a duration, so we use for a long time. Number 4 goes to Simon. Simon hasn't eaten anything. Oh no. Well, he will surely eat something very soon if he hasn't done so yet. But Simon hasn't eaten anything since. It's a precise moment, so since this morning. Number 5 goes to Billy. Billy has been watching TV since. This is a duration. How long has he been doing that? He has been doing that for an hour. Half time, 5 more to go. Number 6 is Günther's sentence. Günther has liked horror movies since his 18th birthday. This is not a duration. This is a precise moment in time. So we have to use since his 18th birthday. Number 7, Sven. Sven hasn't watched a movie since last week. Remember that one? Last week. So not for week, but since last week is a point in time. 3 more to go. This next one goes to Yuki. Yuki has liked Simon or since. Same as number 7. Since last year. Number 9. Simon. Simon has liked Yuki or since more than a year. This time, it's not a point in time, but it's a duration. 365 days for more than a year. And the last one, that's Billy. Billy has been reading a book. Yes, another duration for a month. Okay, how well did you do? 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10. Doesn't really matter. The important thing is that you tried. If you have any questions, you may want to watch this video or last week's video again, or just leave your questions in the comment section and one of us will surely answer them. Don't worry. Just keep on practicing. You know, practice makes perfect. Before we begin, does anyone have any questions? Any problems? Yes, Billy?
Simon has another grammar problem.
Oh no. Okay. What's the problem, Simon?
Simon has a food problem.
Yeah, I know that. You seem to have quite a food problem. But Billy said something about a grammar problem. Billy?
Yeah, that too. But Simon said, someone eats my food. That doesn't sound correct.
That doesn't sound correct because that isn't correct. But what happened, Simon?
There was a monkey in Simon's refrigerator.
Oh no, that's not good. And where's the monkey now? What happened to the monkey? Sven?
It's gone. Just like that.
Just like that? Okay. Well, let's hope it doesn't come back.
If it ever comes back and steals Simon's food again, I'm gonna scare it.
Yeah, you do that. Scare the monkey.
Yeah, monkey. Stay away from Simon's food, or Günther's gonna scare you.
Günther's gonna scare you. Very good. Yep. Let's hope the monkey doesn't return. Okay, let's forget about the monkey for the moment and have a look at Simon's grammar problem. He said, someone eats my food. That's not quite correct. It's the wrong tense. We have 12 tenses in the English language. One of those 12 is the simple present or the present simple. It's exactly the same. And the other tense is the present continuous or the present progressive. Same thing. The present simple describes facts. For example, Dan and his English gang are the best. Or things that happen repeatedly, means over and over again. Günther scares people all the time. He likes doing that every now and then, so he does it repeatedly. Habits are also described with the present simple. Billy watches TV every Monday. On the other hand, we use the present continuous to talk about something that is happening while we are speaking. So, for example, I am talking right now. Something I'm doing right now. The present continuous is formed with the conjugation of be, I am, you are, she is, he is, and so on, plus the verb in the ing form. So, as I said, I'm talking, she is talking, you are talking, and so on. We'll have a more detailed look at how to form the ing verbs in the future, but for now, we'll keep it as simple as possible. Now, the present continuous is also used for other things as well, but today we'll just concentrate on what I just said. We'll talk about the present continuous many more times in the future. Don't worry about that. It's a fascinating tense which can be used in many different ways. And now for the secret. As usual, to help you tell the two tenses apart, look for keywords. Big secret, look for keywords. Present simple. The keywords for the present simple are things that tell you that something happens often or over and over again. For example, always, often, usually, sometimes, never, every day, week, or year, or on Mondays. All keywords that tell you that something happens repeatedly. The present continuous, on the other hand, is something that's happening right now. So you have to look for these keywords. Currently, presently, at the moment, now, or right now, or even look or listen. Look, the teacher is talking. Or listen, the teacher is talking. Look, he is running away. Things that are happening right now. Those are keywords that you have to listen, look for, listen to, and then it'll be much easier to tell the difference between the present simple and the present continuous. Okay, now that you know the difference between the present simple and the present continuous and know what keywords to look for, let's give it a try. Look at these two sentences. Sven plays video games every day, which is the present simple, or the present continuous. Sven is playing video games every day. Now look for the keywords or the keyword. In this case, every day. Every day means he's doing it repeatedly, over and over, every day. So in this case, the present continuous is wrong. We have to eliminate this one, and the one that's correct is the present simple, because it's not something he's doing just right now, it's something that he does every day. Let's have a look at the second sentence. Billy reads a book right now, or Billy is reading a book right now. Which one do you think is correct? Keyword? The keyword is, or the keywords are right now, which means something that is happening right now, and not something that is happening over and over again, but just right now as I'm talking to you. So in this case, present simple is wrong and the present continuous is correct. He's doing something right now. Now, let's have a look at third question or the third exercise. Yuki always goes to the movies. Yuki is always going to the movies. Which one do you think is correct? We have the present simple at the top, and right below that, we have the present continuous. The keyword in this case is always, which means she does it more than once. She does it often, or at least every now and then. So, in this case, the correct answer is yes, the present simple and not the present continuous. So, Yuki always goes to the movies. She does that more than once, and she's not doing it right now as we're talking. So we have to use the present simple. Let's have a look at the next exercise. Look, Günther plays soccer. Or look, Günther is playing soccer. What do you think? We talked about that before. Look means something is happening right now. So we have to use the present continuous, which means the present simple in this case is wrong. Look, Günther is playing soccer. Yeah, he's doing that right now. Then, last one. Listen, Simon sings. Or listen, Simon is singing. What do you think? Look and listen, in this case, lead you to the present continuous. So, the present simple is wrong because we're talking about something that is happening right now. Listen. Listen to Simon right now. He is singing. So those are some of the exercises. Of course, you can use all the tenses to make negative sentences and question sentences as well. So, for example, present simple, Sven plays video games every day. The negative is Sven doesn't play video games every day. And the question, does Sven play video games every day? The same thing is true for the present continuous or the present progressive. Sven is playing video games today. Negative, Sven isn't playing video games today. Question, is Sven playing video games today? But don't worry, we'll look at this some other time. It's not that complicated, but it's rather time consuming. What I now have for you is my little quiz to test your knowledge. See how much you learned today. Feel free to download it from my website. Answer the questions and we'll have a look at the answers next week together. See how well you did. Okay, that's all for now. Hope to see you again next Sunday. If you like our gang, if you like what we're doing, our channel, please consider subscribing. Give us a like. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to ask us or tell us, just put it in the comments section and one of us will surely get back to you. Until then, stay safe, keep practicing, and bye.
Hi there. You want to hear something that's really cool? Try these tongue twisters. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Hey, isn't that cool? Or another one. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I like that one.
Not bad, Sven. But you want to listen to something even cooler? Then listen to this.
That's not nice.
You
That's
stink.
disgusting.